Welcome back, crew, to beautiful Boynton Beach, one of the homes of the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, BG, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Boynton Beach. So our crew looks like is loading their boat. Our guy's winching it up. What is going on here? I think our crew, I don't know that they've lost power, but something's definitely wrong because this is not a dock they want to come into.
There's nothing I can do, man. I can't get down there.
And here you can hear our camera guy kind of talking to the crew like, hey bro, there's not much he can do. And the reality is he can't. There's not a dock to get off on here.
Try it again. You had it in reverse. So we gotta probably adjust that in the cable.
So you can hear Captain there. He's got the boat started. He's trying to run it, but it's not going backwards.
If I can help in any way, just let me know.
You're good.
And I can't. We're backing up a little bit. It's definitely not engaging in reverse fully, though. And we might not be backing up by power. There's a guy you can't see right here. He's in the bow of the boat trying to push it off of this dock. Once again, this dock's not a good spot to be. There's nowhere to get off on a boat right here. There's rocks all around it. It's not, definitely not where you want to be as a boater. So they're looking at the motor, but I mean, they're drifting toward the dock. If I was them, I'd get a line on the ready.
We're working on it. We're getting there. We're getting there.
Brayden, put it in forward now. Go, 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 go. Cut it sharp. Cut it sharp.
We can't reverse. We're like...
Oh, here we go. This could get ugly.
I got it. Watch out. Let everybody get in the same side. Go, 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 Brayden. Go. Slow. Trim it up.
So, I mean, they get the push up, but where they up? Hang on! And our guy smacks the dock here at the end, but where are you going, guys? I mean, you don't have reverse. Definitely, ideally, you want to get on the dock, but he's going to pull out of here. And bye, I guess. So back to the action we were looking at earlier. When we first started the video, this guy was winching the boat up onto the trailer, and now he's got his wife on the dock, and they are trying to get it centered on that trailer. Sometimes that can be a fun task. So he's back down. His wife's got her hands on the boat. What are you doing? Oh no, she's going in, and she goes into the water. She was reaching over to try and center the boat on the trailer and winds up falling in. But let's go back and take a look at the replay on this one so we can see exactly what happens here. Here, she's trying to push the boat over a little bit on the trailer. The driver starts to take off, and the next thing we know, she's just in the drink. I got a feeling our driver's going to get an earful on that one. Now, the good news in this situation, though, it does appear she's okay. I don't see any signs of injury or anything like that. That's always a good sign. I always get nervous when I see people fall off the docks. And our crew's patiently waiting, and they're about to make their approach on the dock. And this crew looks like they were offshore filming something. I see a microphone and definitely what looks like camera gear. So they're professionals in some sort, I'm assuming. I don't know if they're fishermen, divers, or what. And here we go. They're coming in on approach. Taking the slow roll approach, gotta love that. Never approach the dock any faster than you're willing to hit it. So we got a line in the bow of the boat. At least one person on the ready. But they gotta be careful. They're coming in at a funky angle, and since they've redone the docks down here at Boynton now, they've got the concrete piling there, but it's got a metal barrier around it that I see people scratch their boats on all the time. So you really gotta make sure you come wide around these pilings and actually land on the dock. As you can see, they're trying to avoid it here. Their guys trying to pull them around. But still, we've got one guy on the dock, and they're struggling to get the boat over. Oh, wifey almost fell there too. But no, she'll step off and be good. That was a close one though too. I thought she was eating it. And our crew up top looks like they're good to go. And our crew's on final approach after a day out on the boat with the fam. Always a good time. And wife sees the camera, gives us the dab. And Cap's got a good angle. Looks pretty solid on this one. And his wife, well, she's leaving the boat, doesn't even grab a line. She's just going to get the trailer. So are they even going to tie that one up, or is he just going to wait? This might be one of the quickest turnarounds I've seen down here at Boynton in quite some time. Cap pulled up, his wife jumps over the gunnel, onto the dock, ran straight up to the parking lot, and has grabbed their truck and didn't even pull all the way around, started backing it down from the parking lot. And looks pretty solid doing it. I mean, typically what we'll see is these trucks will come all the way around, loop it around, and then back down. And she did not. She pulled, you know, another move that we see another one of our YouTubers do down here at Boynton quite a bit, where literally she just backed straight down from that parking spot down to the dock. Now, she did have to do one slight reset there, but that's still pretty good so far considering she backed it all the way from the parking lot. And if you've never been over here at Boynton, it's a pretty good little drive. It's not like it was just backing straight down to the ramp. So she's putting it in, and I mean, once again, the turnaround time on this is pretty quick. To give you a pretty good example on that, the boat in front of them with the white SUV right here was already here and on the dock when this crew arrived. And I have a feeling this crew will be out of here before the boat that was already there. And when I say they were already there, if you go back and look at the video, they were already tied up, like when they just even started to come into the dock. So Cap's already back off the dock and making his approach onto the trailer as well. Maybe we're going to get a little Boynton race action. Maybe I'm going to have to eat my own words as both boats appear they're going for it. Come on, guys. So our little flats boat gets a little whiskey throttle there at the end, trying to get it up onto the trailer. And our other Cap looks pretty smooth doing so. Gonna power on. And Cap, wife combo. She's down there. That might be the advantage that gives them the win on this one. Because his wife is going to be able to winch this up. So he powers it up. But Cap, closest to us, is getting off his boat. Going to try and winch it up himself. It's going to be a close call. I really thought the other crew had him. But again, I mean, he's been here longer. So it's still a tough call. Couple cranks of the winch and he's going to be on, though. Possibly able to get out of here and beat our other crew. They don't even know they're racing. They're just racing in my mind. And our guy in the red shirt looks like he's looking for something. I wonder if they dropped something in the water earlier. And I think there's a driver in the white car. He's telling him to go. This could be all over. Our crew's gonna go down. No, they do. I thought for sure they were gonna pull it out, but our guy winds up getting his boat out first. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.